is Friday. It is finally moving day. We've been up since 5:30. Well, no, yeah, 5:30. Oops. Oops. Sorry, guys. Okay, so I'm just gonna get some like the CC cream on. You have everything you need? Clothes, everything? You do? Yeah, okay. Because I have some clean ones, I just wasn't sure. And we're gonna go get the U-Haul and finally get everything moved out. What's that, honey? Oh, for the refrigerator. So I'm just gonna go ahead and get ready. And what we're gonna do is we're going to, there's Molly, take the kids to school. Oops, sorry guys. Take the kids to school. We're all going. And then except for my little guy, he's gonna be going to the new school, and it's half day for him, and there's no way I can make it back here. And then drop off my husband at the U-Haul place, and then I'll make my way back over here and gather up some stuff. The thing is, I sold another item. I'm so excited, but it's not here. It's at the other house. The dresses that I have on eBay are still here in my daughter's closet, but everything that were in the bags are okay. Getting a little chaotic. I'm gonna freshen up a little bit. I just washed my face with the Cetaphil. Yeah, the Cetaphil, the light cleanser. I like that for the morning wash. It's really nice. Okay, I'm gonna get ready. Be back. Ooh, I don't know, baby. As soon as Dad comes, he's gonna want to work. Ready? You guys want to do the last mail run? You want to do the last mailbox run? The last one? The last one here. The last mail run. Let's go. The last mail. Come on. Come on. Oh, I have the garage open. Come on. The last one. Come on, Molly. Let's go. Got it. Don't push it all the way back, okay? Make sure it's kind of like in the, there you go. Lift the handle, lift the handle. Thank you. He's a crazy nut. Why aren't you dressed yet? Get dressed. I'm cool. So. Is that the U-Haul? Yeah, he's bringing it right now. Near the house, U-Haul? No, he's bringing it over here. Oh. Is it like a big truck? Should be. Should be. All that's out. Gotta clean all this. That's all my clean clothes and dirty clothes and all this. I'm in my car, in my old house, waiting for my husband. I did my eyes a little bit. I'm using that Urban Decay Perversion Mascara. I don't like it. At first I did, but now I don't like it. It just coats my eyelashes, really. Anyways, I'm waiting for my husband with the U-Haul. And he wants me to, oh yeah, he probably does. He wanted me to take the cars off of the driveway. But I thought maybe I gave him enough room. But I don't think so. So I'm going to move my car. I'll just put it over there. As he's going to back up the U-Haul. It is such a pretty day. Chilly, but pretty. Okay, guys, I'll be back. And there it is. Oh, he got the big one. He's got the big one. Oh my gosh. We're gonna have to guide him. Let's see.
high anyway because...
Okay, that's perfect then. You're on the low, you can come in just a little bit more though. Just a little bit. Yeah, just a little bit. All right. Go get some shoes on, because this is how we get hurt. You got the big McCoy. Guys, I'm just checking in. What cord? Oh, my bad. My bad. I'm just sweeping, cleaning. This is what's going to go in my pilot. These are all the sheets for the bed. Clean towels and everything. Chairs are leaving.
Can you help us with this?
Me? Yeah. Okay. Hold on, guys. I'll be back. They're loading up the U-Haul right now. My son's up in there. And then there's this little guy. And inside, look at Molly. She's so afraid of everything. Why are you so afraid, Molly? Huh? Why are you so afraid? Oh, over here. Yeah, it's just getting empty. Hot mess, people. I just made everybody's breakfast. We had some bacon, eggs. I had some Jimmy Dean little English muffins. Now I'm gonna clean the kitchen, wash dishes, pack up this stuff. I'm vacuuming the rooms. I got all the beds out except for ours because ours is a Calkeen, but I went ahead and just emptied out the rooms for them so they don't have to like go in there and take the sheets off and everything. I just had everything out here in the living room ready for them to go. I guess they're gonna go take a run. He's trying to get everything in one truck, like load, but there's too many furniture pieces and stuff like that still to do. But I would say we are doing really good timing. It is only 9:53. We're doing really, really good. I'm trying to get as much done as I can until I have to pick up my kids. So, what's next? The couch?
No, I think we're leaving.
Oh, you're leaving? That's it?
I think so.
What does Molly have on her nose?
Oh, Molly, what you got? Take some popcorn.
All right, guys. So I'll be back. I'll be back and check in on you guys. 1:14. I gotta leave to go pick up my. I'm gonna go drop off a load. Go pick up my kids, and I'm taking the dogs with me because they just seem very agitated. They seem very, especially Molly, like she's wants to go underneath the bed and everything, and so she's, they're frightful. But this is what I got in the kitchen so far. Packing up the rest of the food. I already washed. I'm gonna wash the grids over there. The cabinets are completely empty. I just got to pack up some of this food over here. But I need to get going because I need to pick up my kids and I have no room for them in my car right now. So I'm going to take the dogs, like I said, because especially Molly, I think she just wants to be in one spot and not worry anymore, So I'll show you where she's at right now. Chulo, he's apprehensive, but he's okay if he's with my husband. He's fine. But she's right here. She's in her crate, and she don't like it. She doesn't like it. Oh, Molly. Oh, baby girl. So, oops. I'm sure when she sees, Savannah, especially Savannah, she'll be fine. She just, you know what I mean? They're very, very agitated right now. Okay, guys, I'll be back. My husband is loading up the U-Haul. I gotta go get my oldest son. Bring him back here. Okay, I'll be back. Guys, what time is it? 3:30? 3:45? How do you turn off that TV, honey? Okay, so I went and got everybody pizza. We're gonna have little Caesars. They're just gonna take up my big Calkeen mattress all the way up to my bed, but they were waiting for my high schooler to get here, so he's here now. But everything is in disarray, guys. Seriously, look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Oops. But that's okay. We're not worried about just getting things where they belong, and that's
right.
It. We still have the TV here on the floor.
Because if Aaron's coming back tomorrow, then we'll wait on doing the dressers till tomorrow.
What dresser, hon?
They're all in the garage. I didn't take them all.
Oh yeah, that's fine, hon. That's fine. Don't worry about it. Yeah.
He's like 5 damn dressers.
Right, yeah, don't worry about it.
For 4.
Okay. I'm having
I forgot your dog was.
I'm having one right now. I feel bad eating. But
It's Good Friday. Alright. Oh, no. Next Friday's Good Friday.
I'm vlogging.
What's wrong with him?
He likes the cool tire.
where's Molly?
Upstairs. In the
Gotta
closet.
eye her.
She's in the closet.
Okay, guys, I'll be back. I'm just checking in. I'm sorry, my vlogs are really, really not that great right now. I'm just. Can you take that to Evan while you're down here? His little.
Is she coming?
Okay, she's doing it. She's doing it. Oh wait, get her! Hurry, Savannah, get her!
Come on, Mikey, let's go back upstairs.
There comes the mattress. There comes the mattress.
Oh yeah, all the dogs came up here.
Molly got up there by herself. That's awesome.
Come on, Gina.
Okay, guys. Yeah, I know. We're going back to the older house. We're all going. We have to go get the rest of the stuff. My son has to go to school. Yeah.
Hey Mom, you were the greatest finesser of all time.
What? Who'd I finesse?
Because you were like, Dad was like, alright everybody, let's go help. And you were like, alright, let's go outside, let's go help.
Yeah.
You did a circle in the U-Haul and walked back
No,
inside.
listen. I was upstairs laying on my bed. Yeah.
Meanwhile, we
Chulo, get out. You're not going. Go. He thinks he's going. He's not
scared.
going.
You see her?
Look at my. Oh, yeah, that's okay. All right, guys. So we're going to go. Pretty much done.
I'm ready.
Pretty much done. Everybody's
I'm gonna fall
tired.
asleep in lecture today.
Are you coming back tomorrow? Or what's your plans?
Yeah.
Tomorrow?
Yeah. I'll come back tomorrow if everything's done here.
You gotta close the garage.
Just kidding.
Are they ready? Everybody in the U-Haul?
Yeah. So I said, can I ride in the back?
Yeah, she's crazy.
Are they all from the U-Haul?
Yeah.
Oh. When me, Dad, and Evan were driving over here, in the
I don't
front,
even know
Mommy
how.
had to go over there a bit closer.
Okay, can you try and do it? Oh, good. All right, guys, I'll be back.